Hi everyone, and I'm Gaurav Agrawal. I am the owner of the Sales Pusher, and today is a very important topic which we're going to discuss, and it's all about the search, find, buy, and rebate key, and another elite seller. So there's two of these, programs which were recently shut down by the Amazon, and so it's all about them. But the main purpose of this video is to how to launch a product without the search, find, and buy, without the these rebate key and these type of services, which can be very counterproductive for you and can put you in really in the trouble. And recently, a few week back, so I have a conversation and I have a discussion with one of the prominent member of the Helium 10 community, and I told him that this is not good, and he was recommended search, find, buy, and rebate key, and he was very confident that okay, this is working. This might not, this might not. There's no issue, but at the back of the mind, everyone knows that they are basically manipulating the search service. So that was the issue. So leaving all those things behind, and so I'm going to tell you how you can launch your product effectively without using these search, find, buy services like rebate key or some other one. And it's very easy one. And in the end of this video, I'm going to tell you a very important point which nobody discusses. I don't know why they don't discuss, but that's free traffic that is coming to your product listing. You should utilize it much more than ever. So basically, uh, let's go to amazon.com, because let's keep it open. And so in this video, I'm going to tell you about about 5 or 6 points in how you can launch your product effectively without using these search, find, buy services, or you can say that rebate key type of services. So let's get started. The first thing is that optimize your listing. So if your listings are not optimized, you are never ever gonna be able to launch your product effectively. And always try to try go for the keywords that are basically uh, have a less competition. I have been saying this with all of my videos, all of my content. Try to launch with the less competitive keywords, and from there on, once you get on the page one for the less competitive, then you can then start taking on the more competitive and keywords like those have the above of 5,000, 10,000 searches per month, and so there on keeps on expanding on a step-by-step basis. And it might be the case that you might fail in the process. If there's no issues, you don't need to worry. Simply leave those keywords. So it's as simple as that. So the first one which I have discussed is optimize your listing with the proper keywords which you think can satisfy your customer need, your buyer need, and just stick with them. And that's the one of the holy grail of these things, like Amazon keyword research. So the second one is find an influencer on Instagram. So if you are really really want to excel on the Amazon, so you need to find some outside traffic that is being converted or that is converted. So the best thing is, so you can simply go to Instagram and find a specific find some influencer with this specific niche. Just a few things to take care of that. So not go with a very high with a high followers, the accounts which have a high followers, or if you can afford them, that would be good. Generally go with the accounts which have like 1,000 followers to, sorry, 10,000 followers to up to 30 or 40,000 followers. These guys are easy to easy to deal with, because they are not very big, and they can easily promote your product. They will sometimes they will charge you something, they will not. So in this way, you will be getting the outside traffic from the Instagram to Amazon. And one thing is, I must tell you, any platform, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube, whether it's uh, you name it. So they like the outside traffic because it's all about the traffic, and they are poaching each other's traffic as of now. So that's the one thing. And this was the second point, which was explaining find influencers on the Instagram. And if you subscribe to this video, I will be putting the exact steps to how to find a Instagram influencer according to your niche, and how you can negotiate with them in one of my future videos. For that, you need to subscribe and press the bell icon. So the third one is brand keyword. So a lot of people have underestimated that this thing. So but this thing works. Basically, the brand keywords shows that okay, someone is searching for your product. They have seen your product somewhere else, and now they just want to buy the product on Amazon. Let's say if I say my name is Gaurav and I want to have launched a supplement brand, then Gaurav turmeric supplements, and people are searching it and they are buying it, and ultimately when they start buying, the Amazon will start ranking you on the Amazon turmeric supplements also. The reason behind it that it's a sub keyword, and the first thing is the first part is your own brand name, like in this case the Gaurav Natural or something like Gaurav supplements. So the Amazon have more data to play around. Okay, so these type of people are buying this product. We should give them more, the more exposure, and you will start ranking side by side. I will highly suggest to run the PPC campaign for those keywords, and I will be going to that, running the PPC campaign a bit of in a overview and in a detailed manner in my few minutes. Okay, so this was the like point three, how to use the brand keywords. The fourth one is the collaborate on YouTube. So the YouTube is another very popular and powerful platform. So why I'm saying it's popular and powerful, because on YouTube, the as the content gets older, and by chance you get a gold mine, and the influencer which you have collaborated with has a sudden boost of the subscribers. So as the content goes old, so there will be more recommendation around the content which he has produced earlier also. In that sense, so it will be a long term and short term also. The short term for the current subscriber, long term for the subscriber he might be gaining down the line. So these are the main key points if you want to find do the YouTube collaborations. And in the same way, find the YouTube collaborators or YouTube content producer that are very that are very good in engagement. Like, so if they have uh, like 10,000 subscriber, so there might be some good ratio. So for that, I will be making a video with the in how to find an Instagram influencer and YouTube influencer to promote your product on Amazon. Later on, for that, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I launch that video, you will be able to see it. So this was the fourth point, collaborate on the YouTube. And let's go to a fifth point, is Amazon PPC. It's a no-brainer. If you have nothing left, you need to run the Amazon PPC for doing the product launch. It's a it's a fair way also, and it's really gives you a level playing field for each and every sellers. And in that context, I would say that you need to run a bit of aggressive Amazon PPC manual, broad and exact. I don't like the phrase much, but if you want, you can go with the aggressive broad and exact match campaign, because this will help you to to reach your potential customer, and you are going to break into the market with this strategy, using all of the strategies which I have told you. To stay on top of the keyword, and try not to Amazon advertising is getting quite a costly, so try not to bid on very aggressively if you don't have the budget on the keywords that are very costly. So try to uh, find a niche, like I have told you in my first point. Find a less competitive keyword, put it that on your title in your listing, and run the Amazon PPC campaigns again over there, and let's see how it works. But according to me, this is the best way to launch a product. Another thing you can do, and that is the sixth thing, you can always try to wine programs. So Amazon might be doing for paid now $200 for one SKU, but it's worth the money. So you will get the genuine review and feedback. That's too from the within the Amazon platform, and nobody will bother to trouble you because it's all under Amazon TOS or terms, and Amazon is conducting all these wine programs, so it's perfectly fine. So my seventh one, which is the most important one, and in the start of the video, I was telling you I have something for you guys, which might nobody discuss. It's called Amazon Post. Yes, it's Amazon own Instagram type platform where you can upload your product images or lifestyle images, and you can tag along the different products, and it start showing up on the different places without spending any money. And apart from it, you can also just put it on your Amazon store also, so it will look very nice, and like it's something like the social thing. And Amazon is all about and Amazon, every other social media company or a big corporation are moving toward the social commerce or something with the social. Facebook is the father of the social media, and we have the hesitant to say, but now everyone wants to get at that slice of that pie that's called social media or social commerce. So in that case, you can leverage that Amazon Post. It's a free, it's very good working on the Amazon and the mobile application, but it doesn't work very well on the desktop because I haven't seen anything on the desktop side recently. It was there earlier, but it's not right now. So that's it, guys. It was Gaurav Agarwal, and thanks for listening to me. Hopefully, if I have solved your query about the product launch services without using the search, find, buy, or rebate key. If not, and just leave us a email or comment on this video. I'm gonna try to answer all your questions if you have. And that's it, guys. Thank you.